Hello and welcome to our channel, Loving Handcrafts by BMW. This is Brenda. So I am back yet again for 24 days of crafty surprises for card makers. The Advent calendar from Spellbinders, and I got less stuff to do now because we're on day 22. I tried to open that one day early, but I think I already got that started, but I caught myself. So let's just peel and reveal. Stencils. Okay. Looks like stencils. Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, these are nice. These are really nice stencils. Okay. Woohoo. We got some stenciling action. Maybe I can use some paste. Maybe I'll do some paste this time. Take these out the thing. Okay, we got 1, 2. Don't think they're layering stencils. They don't look like they're layering stencils. Are they layering stencils? Could be. Oh yeah, I think they're layering. It's not like they give you a whole lot of clues. They look like they're layering stencils. Could they possibly be layering stencils? Looks like that goes in between. Okay, now I'm not going to use any paste because I don't want to. Okay, well, let's get some. I need 3 colors. I'm going to use my Gina K colors for this. I need a big, substantial tag. Put that away. Let me go grab some colors. I'm going to use my Gina K inks. I might use that petunia again. Maybe some, yeah. I'll be right back. I'm back. So, I have pulled out some of my colors from Gina K. This is actually a really fun stencil to try to practice with this, to kind of get your colors. So I'm looking, and this is my darkest color, so I'm going to start with that first. I'm going to use all teals just because. Then I'm going to use turquoise, sea, and sea glass in that order. So that's the order I'm going to use them. And then this is my little swatchy swatch. Since I've been making tags, I swatched those out the other day. So let's clean my brush. Again, that's just some alcohol. Let's clean off my brush. That gets most of that off of there. Good way to and I think this is big enough where I can get most of the pattern on there. I'm going to have to... do I got any? That way I can just put that down like that. Put that down like that. Oh, is there something etched in it? I can't tell. I can't tell. Oh, 1. This is number 3. 2. Oh, I'm glad I saw that. Oh, that's 3. So 3. So this is 1. Okay, so it is layering. So 2. There we go. It was layering stencil. I was right. Number 3 is etched right there. Just didn't notice it. Is that straight? No, that's not straight. Let's make sure that's straight. So I'm putting it right on this line. No, just go right there. Could use your Misty for this. And then this will go right about here. And let me get get some posties out. Now I help mask this off. And stick it down. And then that way I won't get any ink on areas of this that I don't want it on. Yep, there we go. And this should stick to that since this is silicone. So we'll keep 2 and 1 in the same order. And then we're going to start with Tranquil, and we're going to work our way up to the lightest color. Okay, let's put that over here. I like to hold down with the finger. Hold up my brush. And then start in the swirl. And I'm going to start with the darkest color in the center. I'm going to kind of lay this pretty heavy and lighten it out as I go out. Shouldn't take long. I like stenciling. I'm doing a pretty heavy-handed on this, and I'm pressing down pretty substantially. I want this to be really deep. But I put the most intense color right in the center. And you see I didn't load my brush back up. Okay. I think that looks good. And I'm swirling clockwise and counterclockwise. Okay. Get that out the way. I'm gonna clean my brush off a little. Pretty. Pretty, pretty. Clean the stencil off with a little alcohol. Okay. Then number 2. You're gonna, okay, yeah, you can kind of see what it lines up properly. Put this back down. Post-it notes are a good mask. And like I said, it helps hold it down too. And this is Turquoise Sea, which is next. It's giving me more like a tone-on-tone kind of feel. And so the most intense color goes there. Work my way out. I didn't load this brush up that good. Let me make sure I move that up a little. The only thing I don't like about Gina cubes is they don't stack on top of each other really good. Like all my other cubes like have a little compartment where they stack on top of each other. This does not. It makes it really hard to store. I don't have a cube stand or anything fancy. Oh, this is going to be really pretty. Oh, I like it. This might be my favorite one. So let me just go. Do, 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 do. Feels like when you're wax on, wax off. Okay. Oh, before I take it off. little light clean on that. Oh, wow. Look at those. Those are pretty. That's pretty. You could actually stop there if you wanted to. That's pretty. Clean that up. I'll take it to my sink and clean it better when I finish. We can run some water over it, but this will get it to a certain point. So that was turquoise sea, and so the last color is sea glass. It's pretty. I could see this looking really pretty with teal and pinks. Oh. You need to stay. You need to stay. But I'm doing all the turquoises. It's pretty. Load that up really good. Do that most intense color there, right in that center. Then lighten it out as I go further out. Very, very pretty. All right, day 22. I think I'm happy with it. I'll think of a sentiment later, or no sentiment at all. It's just it's a pretty art piece. Put the top on that. All right, let's peel and reveal. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's gorgeous. That speaks for itself. That's gorgeous. We got a little bit off, but that's okay. It's still gorgeous. Woohoo! Love it. Now I could have used some paste. And I might go back. Let me not clean it. Let me go back. Yep, moved a little bit, but I didn't actually mark it that well. Let me go back. And I'm gonna go grab some paste that I have in my stash. I'll be right back. Okay, I grabbed this Astro Paste from Simon Hurley, and I'm not gonna do anything but put my finger in it, and then I'm just gonna dab it right in that center. If I can control it where it goes, just dab it right on there. I'm holding it down with my just a little bit of paste right in that center, and it should dry fairly quickly. When you don't have nails, it will probably work, but I just put a little dab in that center just to sparkle it up. If you wanted to, you could have spackled it on, but I didn't feel like I wanted to do that. Just because I just wanted those colors to shine, but I wanted a little sparkle in the center. So I was aiming just for that area right there through the stencil. All right, let me clean my hand off. Gotta go wash my hands before I get stuff everywhere. So yeah, this is day 22. I like it. I'm really liking the end. Big finish there. Let me clean this off before it dries. Oh yeah, get that sparkly stuff off. I'm gonna take this right to the sink and clean it off, but I don't want that hold on there. So if you like what you see, please like, subscribe, comment. We're getting to the end, to the big finale. And I will talk to you later for day 23. Just one more day after that. Talk to you guys soon. Take care.